At the outset, let me thank management of India Mobile Congress to give me opportunity to share my views with this august gathering. A lot has been talked about the 5G. 5G is not just a technological evolution after 4G, it is a game changer. The revolution is going to impact the way people work, conduct business, socialize, adopt new entertainment options and education. Telecom has become backbone to provide various services across different verticals, be it education, health, agriculture, finance, e-commerce or entertainment. Effective implementation of 5G become all the more important, keeping in view other technological developments such as artificial intelligence, crowd services, machine to machine communication, process automation, robotics, edge computing, etc. 5G can provide high speed internet access, ultra low latency applications and massive machine to machine communication. This on one hand enables virtualization. It has all features to support disruptive technologies likely to change the human interactions. It is due to this reason that 5G is also called communication and computing technology. So, the issue which is for the discussion is how to make 5G successful in India. The key enabler of this technology are large chunk of spectrum in high band, software defined network, massive MIMO and beaming formation, network slicing and service based architecture. TRAI has already given its recommendation for auction of the spectrum in 33 to 3600 megahertz band. DoT is considering it and I hope that auction will be done very soon. Identification of the spectrum in millimeter wave is important to roll out the 5G services. We hope to get the reference very soon in this regard. Robust backhaul is another requirement for effective 5G rollout. Presently, only 30% of the BTS having optical fiber connectivity and therefore, massive fiberization is the need of the hour. TRAI has already given its recommendation to enhance the role of the infrastructure providers. We hope that infrastructure provider can bring required finances and boost up fiberization activity in India. Right of way and single window clearance will play an important role to enhance the fiberization activity in India. Though DoT has already made rules to facilitate right of way permission, but the procedure need to be further simplified and made user friendly. Identification of the development and testing of India specific use cases is an important parameter for success of rollout of 5G in India. TRAI has already recommended for allocation of the spectrum for trial. Service provider has to come forward and initiate testing of India specific use cases. Success of 5G will depend on conducive ecosystem where device manufacturers, sensor developers, system integrators, app providers and telecom service provider has to come together. Creation of a platform for mutual cooperation will boost the morale of the startups and facilitate the India specific use cases. Proliferation and adoption of India specific use cases will directly result into revenue potential for the telecom service providers, making network deployment profitable and viable. I am aware of the concern of the TSPs who feel that adequate spectrum must be allocated to the TSPs and the spectrum price must be reasonable. TRAI has been recommending that all available spectrum should be put to auction so that there is no artificial scarcity of spectrum. Further, spectrum sharing and spectrum trading must be encouraged for effective spectrum use. TRAI has made every effort to ensure that the price of the spectrum is reasonable and market friendly. Global comparison is only possible when we do it on equitable parameters taking into account various variables and future prospects. TRAI as a regulator is sensitive to the requirement of enabling and forward looking regulatory policies and framework for continuous technological development, adoption and innovation. There is a need to relook on policy framework adopted in early 2000. In era of convergence, The regulatory framework must be clear, predictable and growth oriented. Allocation of spectrum in E-band and V-band will facilitate quick rollout 5G services at affordable price. There is a need to create a framework for use of street furniture for provision of the 5G services. Data privacy and consumer protection will be important challenges in 5G era. Consumer education is going to play an important role for successful rollout of 5G. I feel 5G is a game changer technology, have sufficient India specific use cases, provides viable and affordable business model. I am very optimistic and hope that 5G will be introduced in Indian market very soon. Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity.